Here I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then you have to go to the Accessibility section, then to the TalkBack, and then let's just enable this service here, tap Allow. After that, TalkBack tutorial starts and it's like talks non-stop.
TalkBack on. TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. TalkBack tutorial. Lesson 1, basic navigation, swiping, exploring, activating, enlist 5 items.
Okay, so like it's like when you already turned it on, like it's never stops talking. So I suggest you to turn it off if you don't need it right now. Tap here, then double tap this button.
TalkBack off.
Okay, that's how you can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.